We're going to move on, and you probably were not aware that this is Building Safety Month. You probably were not aware of that. So you're going to find out. So this is Brian Flannery. Brian is the city's building inspector. That's not quite the correct title. What is it correct?
The Director of Building Inspection.
Director of Building Inspection, and he's been with us since September 1st. He came from Verona, so we're very pleased to have Brian here. So whereas the city of Sun Prairie has been a leader in the safety of our buildings while addressing critical issues of safety, energy efficiency, and sustainability in buildings that affect our citizens both in everyday life and in times of natural disaster. And whereas our confidence is achieved through the devotion of vigilant guardians, building safety officials, fire prevention officials, architects, engineers, builders, laborers, and others in the construction industry who work year-round to ensure the construction of safe buildings. And whereas, along with the dedicated members of the International Code Council, the city of Sun Prairie raises awareness of the importance of building safety to ensure that the places we frequent are safe. And whereas during the observance of Building Safety Month, Wisconsin residents are asked to acknowledge the essential inspection and enforcement services provided by the city of Sun Prairie. Now therefore, I, Paul T. Esser, by virtue of the authority vested in me as mayor, on behalf of the city of Sun Prairie, hereby supports city participation in Building Safety Month. So Brian, I'd like to award this to you with our congratulations. Do you have any comments you wish to make this evening?
I would, thank you.
Please.
Thank you very much. And thank you for the proclamation. As the mayor had mentioned, Building Safety Month is a program that's originated and kind of administered by the International Code Council. And they've been doing this program for quite some time. It's broken down into different themes every year. This year's theme is Partners in Community Safety and Economic Growth. And that's one thing that I think sometimes gets lost in our industry, in our profession, is that we are partners in economic growth. And having safe and quality and sustainable buildings in the built environment is extremely important, not only to the owner of the building, the designer and builder of the building, the code officials that inspect the building, but ultimately to the people like you that enjoy and use those buildings on a day-to-day basis. Building Safety Month is broken down into 4 different kind of subcategories. They have different programs that take place throughout the month. We do have some information down in our office on the first floor if anybody'd like to come down and talk to us. This year's 4 themes are mentoring the next generation of building professionals, reaching out to younger people, high school, college, tech schools, trying to get people interested and excited in what we do. The second one is building design solutions for all ages. So again, design and building buildings that can be used by a number of different people and all people. Week 3 is managing the damage, preparing for natural disasters, something none of us like to think about. You know, that day that could be the worst day when a natural disaster would strike our house, but it's raising awareness to that. And then the 4th is investing in technology for safety, energy, and water efficiency. We read about that every day, about trying to make buildings more efficient and saving resources and things like that. So a lot of good information on that as well. So again, I'd like to thank you for the proclamation. Anybody that has any interest in any of that would like to come down and see me, I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.